Hi, and thanks for being a Barchart subscriber. Over time, your portfolio will accumulate purchases and sales, paid dividends, and dividend reinvestments. Your investor portfolio provides many ways in which you can search for, modify, and even delete transaction history. In your portfolio, you'll find a Holdings and a Transaction tab. Let's first look at the Holdings tab. To the left of every position, you'll find a transaction icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. Clicking the icon will bring up a record of every individual transaction associated with that position. Any user-entered transaction in your portfolio can be adjusted or deleted completely using the icons shown in the action column. You can see that I purchased 25 shares of Apple on May 1st, 2023 for $170. I can use the edit icon in the actions column to change any detail of that transaction. You may also delete any transaction. If, for example, a transaction has resulted in dividend reinvestment, that is, more shares were added to your portfolio, and you didn't want this to happen, you can delete the transaction and re-enter it, making sure that you say that you do not want to reinvest the dividends. The more links at the right of the table also provide a way for you to remove or delete a transaction. Now let's look at the Transactions tab. The Transaction tab provides a more robust view of how your portfolio was built. It lets you see every single transaction associated with the portfolio for a given date range. The date range by default sets a 2-year range from today's date, but it's easy to narrow down your search by adjusting these dates. You can search by security type, symbol, or transaction type. You are provided the same option of editing any transaction or deleting them entirely from your portfolio. Thanks for watching.